uCertify offers Microsoft installation, storage, and compute with Windows Server 2016 certification prep for IT professionals. So, start your prep for Microsoft installation, storage, and compute with Windows Server 2016 certification exam from today with uCertify. To be a Microsoft installation, storage, and compute with Windows Server 2016 certified professional, you'll have to pass 70740 exam. It covers installation, storage, and compute features and functionality available in Windows Server 2016. In the uCertify course, you'll be receiving 240 practice questions and 8,760 hours of online content. It includes 21 lessons with interactive learning resources, such as over 130 flashcards, 130 quizzes, and 28 exercises. The course has 2 sets of practice tests with hundreds of items to ensure effective learning outcome. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you'll be able to install Windows servers in host and compute environments and implement storage solutions, Hyper-V, Windows containers, and high availability. Maintain and monitor servers in physical and compute environments. To explore more about uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/Microsoft/Pearson70740. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.